Welcome to this video where we will show you how to extend your ServiceNow instance with rack elevation views and automated space and power capacity aggregations. You should have all of your servers and equipment set up in ServiceNow. You can also set up your computer rooms and racks using predefined categories like CMDB CI rack and CMDB CI room to define them, shown here in the rack list view. Then you can use the Tier44 application, which can be downloaded from the ServiceNow store, to visualize them. As you can see, this significantly enhances the visual capabilities of ServiceNow and provides you with a single view of a rack and its capacity details without doing any manual calculation or external documentation, which will save you a lot of time. Our application comes with some demo data that you can use to familiarize yourself with the ease of maintaining data and the usability benefits from graphical views. In this demo instance, we have 4 different locations of data centers set up across the world with a variety of sizes. With the application, there is unlimited use, meaning unlimited users, unlimited racks, unlimited data centers, and unlimited configuration items. The application is configured for any company. These graphical views are showing the different possibilities of data centers and computer rooms that can be used. You can seamlessly move through all of your data centers with the navigation at the top to manage everything at once. It can all be customized to your needs and to replicate your data centers. We can take a closer look at the Austin data center and computer room. With each view, there is a detailed tab and interface tab with automated calculations and interfaces created. On the detail tab in the room, you can see the space and power calculations for the entire room calculated for you. It is also possible to search where there is available space and power for each rack. We can go into a rack to see another elevation view that is specifically a full server rack and look at the space and power aggregations and the interfaces, which are the building blocks of relationships. With having automated calculations, it cuts out any spreadsheets or manual calculations you may be doing now. Everything is updated in real time as changes are made. For the rack, interfaces are created for each rack unit to be able to set up your equipment and have the proper relationships between racks, servers, network gear, and PDUs. Equipment can be displayed in the rack horizontally and vertically, depending on how it is in your data center. Now, for the equipment to even show up, the interfaces have to be created first, then the relationships between the room, racks, and equipment using the relationship types. For example, a server has a relationship with the rack and another with power. We can click into a server and take a look at the current connected interfaces that are highlighted in red. These relationships, once created, can be seen visually on each device. From here, we can go into the CMDB CI model form for the server and see the extension tab of Tier44. This shows the front and back image along with peak power. That number is manually entered by you, but then the value is used for the power aggregation for the rack and room, which is calculated automatically. We provide the images of equipment that can be uploaded into ServiceNow individually and in bulk. Now, a common question you may have when you get to the server graphical view is, where is the server located? We added the navigation Find Me buttons at the top to help you locate your location. It will bring you one level up from where you were and highlight the equipment, which is especially helpful if there is an incident or a ticket. Let's use it to take us back to the rack and now use Find Me Row to show the entire row of racks. These racks are all 42 units, but Tier44 can support any size of racks, whether they are small or large. It can be customized to what you need for your rack management. By clicking Find Me again, it can take us back to the computer room where all of the racks are contained. You can run a test here. Say you have a piece of equipment that is 10,000 watts and 10 rack units. You can enter that information on the Detail tab where the space and power capacity is shown and submit it. The computer room is now color-coded with where there is available space and power for your equipment. Green is available, yellow is barely enough, and red is unavailable. Your capacity utilization is more balanced and efficient now with knowing exactly where it should be installed. You can try it all for yourself by going to the ServiceNow store, where you can request a 30-day free trial to download the application and see additional screenshots and documentation on how the data model changes. Thanks for watching this video, and stay tuned for more details and tutorials.